Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix 3ds Max startup error. Sometime it's stuck or sometime it's crash. It's become issue in the Max ENU files. So let's open the 3ds Max. It will show background processing. But it's stuck. Wait for it, but it did not start. Here it just showing starting 3ds. But it not going to be start. So now open the Start Task Manager. And the 3ds Max process. So now you have to go to the My Computer. Make sure you have unhide all the files. Follow the path. Go to C. User. Username. AppData Local Autodesk 3ds Max. I'm using 2024 version. Issue in these files. Delete this folder. Now open again 3ds Max. Wait for it. Now it's going to be start. Startup problem is fix. It will start like new. You have to adjust the bar and command setting again. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.